that day forward, he was his one year.
What kind of leader uses those words when their lives at risk? A strong man, a bold leader, an uncompromising You're sitting here in the place of the white man, saying what the white man wants you to say. That is the way I train first with the responsibility.
Like one who will stand up uncompromisingly on a platform of black power. That we are to be the vanguard, and you must join on with us.